Welcome to Makeup Without Limitations. Today's video is me playing with makeup. Get your palettes out and let us play with some makeup. Always remember you are first. Do not dim your light for another. Always know that you are loved on this channel. I am working with the Be Perfect Carnival Pro palette because I am going to pan each and every shade in there. I have darkened the outer corner, so I'm going to take a peach shade and put in the brow bone. One of my eye is more hooded than the other, so the fold is wider. And also under my eye, you'll see sometimes my eyeliner is wider on the one eye than the other. This eye is more wrinkled, well, more closed like this. This one is wider. Two matte colors so far. My next color is purple. That's also a matte. I'm using it in the front portion of my eye. This eye look is not planned. One of these days I'll have a planned eye look, but for now I just open a palette. I love colors and I'm just playing with makeup. I want to pan the colors in this palette. So this is my panning project. This is what we're looking like so far. I have glitter glue on my lids. I start right here and stop right here with the glitter glue. I always put it on the back of my hand and dip a brush and do it. Now I'm going to take another color in here, which is a shimmer, and I'm going to put it everywhere I put the glitter glue. I might have to use my finger for this because this little brush is not doing anything for me. That's the shimmer. Again, I have glitter glue done already. Let me dress this eye look and I'll be right back so we both can see what the finished look looks like. Okay? Please remember to subscribe while you're watching. Today's planning project eye makeup look is this. 3 mattes, 1 shimmer. My lip combo is very old, Wet and Wild called Vamp, and I use my dollar store lip liner. That's my lip combo today. My base is L'Oreal Infallible 365 Copper. That's what I have on my face. My panning project palette is Be Perfect Carnival Pro XL palette by Stacey Marie. Always remember, self is first. You are loved on this channel. I appreciate you watching. Always, always, always make sure that you're checking your high blood pressure numbers to make sure that you are okay. I will see you in another video because I have to head out to the store and they're cutting grass. Thank God I am done. See you in the next video. But until then, hype, subscribe, comment, and I love you as always. Bye.